Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your domain to Wix. We'll cover the two primary methods, connecting via name servers or pointing your domain. Connecting with name servers is generally recommended for a smoother experience, as it gives Wix full control over your domain's DNS settings. Pointing is an alternative if you need to keep your DNS hosted elsewhere, offering more flexibility. To connect using name servers, begin by logging into your Wix account and finding the specific name server addresses provided. Next, access your domain registrar's website, where you purchased your domain. Navigate to the DNS management section and replace your existing name servers with the two Wix name servers. This process typically takes just a few minutes to complete. If you choose to point your domain, you'll need to locate the specific Wix IP address. Once you have this, log into your domain registrar's site. Go to your domain's DNS settings and find the record. You will then update this record to point directly to the Wix IP address. Remember, this method requires you to manage other DNS records yourself. After making these changes, it's important to understand that domain propagation can take up to 48 hours. During this time, your website might not be immediately accessible everywhere. Once this period passes, log back into your Wix dashboard to verify that your domain is successfully connected. Also, for great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.